Is that Marie? I'm getting a bike. I need one. That's a lot of bikes. It's be a traffic jam now. We got it just in time, Pete. Fucking hell. Hear the roar. Whoop whoop! Here come the Nazis. It's Father Christmas. It's Father Christmas. It's Christos. I found the Christos. Babylon. Here we go, the Nazis. Oh, I get the tickets. How many tickets can we get there? Let's get that. See, that's why I'm filming, everybody. You see, you can't do nothing without the officer wanting the papers. Fuck them. Pardon the swearing. Done. Oh, I keep filming. We'll keep.